Good morning. This is Karen Spar, Executive Vice President of the Southport Oak Island Area Chamber of Commerce, and today we're with Heather from Salt Air Heating, Cooling, and Electrical. Hello, Heather.
Hello, and thanks for having us.
Sure. Tell us a little bit about Salt Air. What do you do?
So we do heating, cooling, and electrical for residential and commercial customers. We offer service calls, maintenance, and we can do installs for anybody that's looking for a replacement. Our comfort advisors can come out and provide estimates for what that replacement cost would be.
Tell me a little bit about your maintenance contracts, because I know they're very important.
Yes, so think of it like a tune-up of your car. It's just as important to maintain something that keeps you cool and comfortable in your house. So we offer two different plans. You can come out once a year or twice a year, and each package has different perks to it along with our preventative maintenance. With the salt air and the salt water, you just want to make sure you're taking the best care you can to get the life you deserve out of your HVAC.
And, you know, the salt air and everything is really hard on, it's corrosive.
Yes, it provides a lot of buildup on the coils, and it works really hard during the summer, so drain pans can get clogged and then it can be a mess, so you want to make sure you get that cleaned.
Yeah. So that maintenance ahead of time will save you on the back end.
Yes, exactly.
So tell me, we're coming into hurricane season, and I know you guys have the generators, whole house generators.
Yep, so we could install a whole home generator. This will help keep everything essential in case you lose power during a storm, or just in general when we have those power outages. And we can also maintain those units with our preventative for the whole home generators as well.
And people that are doing additions.
Oh yes, so we also can do mini splits. A lot of people in this area like to close off porches with the heat. So we can do that, as well as any upgrades as far as outlets, lighting, or wiring required to close that off.
Anything else you'd like to add?
So we are a Trane supplier. We can do any manufacturer, but Trane is our preference. And as far as the electrical, we can also do any other home needs and remodels as well.
That sounds great. Again, this is Salt Air Heating, Cooling, and Electrical, 910-777-3539, or the website is
saltairinc.com.
Thank you, Heather, for being on Faces of Commerce
Thank you
today.
for having us.